Nice shot. Nice shot. Really nice. Right over the top of it. Very nice shot. Very good. You were to the right of the gopher. Go to shoot the middle white plate or one of the.
Oh, it's empty.
Okay. How was that?
It's nice.
Okay. You like the Glock handgun?
Yeah.
You ever shoot a handgun like that before?
No, never.
That's your
Ever.
first time shooting a handgun?
First time shooting handguns.
And what do you think?
It's the best thing in my life.